In this video, we will cover how to correctly cite books in APA 7th edition. We will discuss several common types of books: authored books, edited books, chapters in an edited book, and ebooks with and without DOIs. Examples and additional guidelines can be found in the 7th edition publication manual of the American Psychological Association. First, you'll need to identify which type of book you have. Is it a print book or an ebook? Look at the cover of the book or the title page for authors or editors' names and for any edition number. If the book has editors instead of authors, they will usually be identified as such on the cover or the title page of the book. Look at the individual chapters in the book to see if they have different authors than those listed on the cover. Does the book have a DOI or digital object identifier? Let's begin with a basic citation for an authored book in print. The citation will include 4 elements: author, date, title, and publisher information. Author names will appear last name first with initials. You can find the publication date and the publisher information on the title page or on the inside of the cover. The book title and subtitle will appear in sentence case, meaning that only the first words of the title and subtitle will be capitalized. The title will also be italicized. Some books will specify an edition number on the cover or title page. The edition number will go directly after the book title in parentheses, but not in italics. A correct citation for this book would look like this. Next, let's take a look at a basic citation for an edited book in print. This citation will follow the same model as an authored book, but will include the abbreviation ED for the editor's name, or EDS if there is more than one editor. A correct citation for this book would look like this. Now, let's say you want to cite a single chapter from this edited book, when the author of the chapter is different from the author or editor of the book. You'll need 3 additional elements for your citation: the name of the chapter's author, chapter title, and the page numbers of the chapter. The chapter title will appear in sentence case, but not in italics. The correct citation for this chapter would look like this. If you're reading an ebook instead of a print book, your book may have a digital object identifier, or a DOI. If so, the DOI will appear after the publisher's information. You should write the DOI formatted as a hyperlink. The correct citation for this edited ebook would look like this. If your ebook does not have a DOI, and you've retrieved it from a library research database, you do not need to include a DOI or URL. For example, this is an ebook retrieved from the library research database ProQuest eBook Central. No database information, DOI or URL, is required. This is the correct citation for this book. If your ebook does not have a DOI, and you've retrieved it from the open web, such as a Kindle book, you need to include the URL after the publisher's information. A correct citation for this book will look like this. If you still have questions about citing books in APA 7th edition, ask a librarian. You can use the help resources on the UW-Oshkosh Library's homepage. Or contact me, Erin MacArthur, at my email, mcarthue@uwosh.edu, or by phone at 920-424-1361. Thanks for watching.